education inequality. Many students do not get the same quality of education. Poorer schools have fewer teachers, books, and technology. So this makes it harder for students to learn and succeed in life. To fix this, the government needs a strong plan or policy to make education fair for everyone. So here is the steps in the public policy process. So first we have agenda setting, identifying the problem. So first we need to show that the education inequality is a big issue. And then we collect information about schools that don't have enough resources. Then teachers, parents, and students can share their experiences. News and social media can help bring attention to this issue. So second is policy formulation, which is developing possible solutions. So after recognizing the problem, the next step is to create solutions. Possible solutions could include increasing school funding and improving teacher training, updating curriculums, and expanding access to technology. So experts and government leaders will help create a plan to solve the issue. So for the third part is policy implementation. So putting the policy into action. So government agencies like Department of Education and school boards will be responsible for carrying out the policy. And then schools will receive the necessary funding and programs will be introduced to improve the learning conditions. Schools and local leaders will make sure that the plan is followed. And then for the last part is policy evaluation. So checking if it works. So the final step is to make sure that whether the policy is effective, and then the government will look at the test scores, graduation rates, and student progress. Teachers and parents will give feedback on what is working and what is needs to improve. So if something is not working or changes will be need to fix it. So for the last one part is the role of bureaucratic organizations and challenges. So implementation rule, government agencies, schools, districts will carry out the policy and make sure that rules are followed and manage the funding. So the evaluation rule, public institutions will check if the policy is working through audits, research, and community feedback. So challenges and solutions. Slow processes, government procedure can take too long. So ang ato solution niya is use technology and set clear deadlines. And then resistance to change. Some people may not want to follow new policies. And then another solution niya is providing training and incentives and involve them in decisions. And then unequal funding. Some schools may not get the help they need. And then a solution is keep track of spending and conduct audits to ensure fairness.